everyone, this is Sandeep and you are watching officially Sandeep. Someone is asked to me, my dear, I am not know make of the sentences, how we can develop of myself, how we can learn lot of us. My dear friends, as people I want to say, if you want to improve yourself and if you want to make well in English, my dear friends, you can learn deeply of the grammar portion. Without grammar, you cannot speak fluently and confidently anywhere place. So my dear, because be learning rule of grammar method, because I belong in village and B have not met as type atmosphere where B only watching and B only be watching of people B can set up my mind, because we have to learn rule of grammar. My dear friends, someone are saying I don't know make of the sentences, how we can develop myself. As people I want to say, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to learn, you have to need know more to more of the grammar portion. If you want to speak fluently and confidently, as for me, you must consider at this talk. Without grammar portion you cannot speak, because we belong as place, as community where in our mind said everything in Hindi. We have to do translate in English if we want to speak something. Else we must consider at this talk. If you want to speak something, you have to do translate. Otherwise, you would never get to speak. Because how much we can learn in my mind, but we have to think, we have to make of the sentence in my mind. How much you can do translate in your mind, I think that you can keep your thoughts, you can speak. You must know that at this talk, if you are thinking you are different from the other people, I think that you are, and you must consider taking your ambition, your goal, what you want to be in future. I think that after some time, what become with me, we think that I will never gain something well in my life, and we think deeply about that topic, because I don't know that in which type thoughts come in my mind, I don't know that, but lot of miserable questions put up in my mind. My dear friends, if you want to learn, if you want to be, and you are watching in future, you must do work hard. I think that without hard working you are nothing, and one day you will shine as a star if you are working, taking for your future. You must know that at this talk. And we are talking about your communication skill. If you want to learn, my dear friends, you have to need know more to more grammar. If you don't know make of the sentences, how you can speak, my dear friends, you must know that, because we speak present, past, future, everything, and we use models, everything. In which word we are getting speak, we have to need. If we want to speak some sentence, if we are going some place as where someone is not know about myself, so we are using in this sentence grammar rule. If we want to speak, my dear friends, we have to need know lot of us grammar. And if you want to do, and if you want to learn confidently, and if you want to speak fluently, stage between of the people, I think that you have to know grammar, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are thinking, and my dear friends, as for me, lot of people are belonging village, they are learning from basic. Everyone is learning basic, but they are improving of his communication skill, rule of grammar portion. Also, I am doing some practice when we are watching someone else, when we are thinking about myself, how we can develop myself, how we can make strong in English, how we can change of my poor communication, how we can speak confidently, from between of the people, and how we can do lot of practice in English. We think lot of fuss. And my dear friends, if you are thinking, if you want to be fluent in English, you must start know grammar, how you can make sentences, how you can do practice, how you can study, and how you have to give time. My dear friends, if we are going, everything we are using in grammar, we have to take word and we have to make rule of the grammar. कुछ भी बोल रहा हूँ तो हमें ग्रामर का सहारा लेना पड़ रहा है मेरे दोस्त. यदि आप फ्लुएंट, if you want to be fluent in English, you have to need know lot of us grammar. I hope you can improve yourself and you can change yourself. You must know that at the start. Why are you not getting speak well? One word you are getting speak, second word are not coming in your mind. Why? Because we are thinking in English. If you are speaking something, my dear friends, and you are thinking, I will speak everything in English, I think that you cannot get speak fluent. Why? Because it is problem, and you cannot join up the sentence, because that time you will think two type sentences in English, and first in English and second in Hindi. And my dear friends, that time you will be late. You must not at this time. It is problem of everyone. So you must focus in your Hindi sentences and you must think deeply, and you have to do translate in your mind how much you can do if you want to be fluent in English, if you want to learn well. My dear friends, my dear brother and sister, you can watch to me. We are not taking any book, copy, and we are getting speak. So it is given of grammar, who we are getting speak something. In this video, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, a lot of people are belonging a village who cannot make well in English. You can learn if your grammar will be strong, and you must think lot of us. Also, I am not using lot of word in Hindi because we are thinking in English and we are trying to do translate. And who I am getting speak, my dear friends, every sentences is present continuous tense. Everyone knows it. What is present continuous rule? Future perfect tense, and lot of sentences who we are using, who is present continuous tense. क्योंकि who know make of the sentences, that person is know what is rule. And my dear friends, I hope you can make well yourself and you can change yourself. If you want to improve yourself, you must consider a lot of fuss about yourself, taking for your ambition, what is your strength, what is your weakness, and how much you have to focus about your goal. I think that you will change yourself. If you are watching to be my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, you can join with me officially Sandeep, and you can keep your thoughts in the comment section, because in this type video I will provide to you. I hope in your mind come thoughts and you will do work at your communication skill. Thank you for watching this video. Love you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.